Model 2018 Iveco Daily 70C18H 2100 with B4100 automatic twin-wheeler chassis cab fridge van Euro 6. Body white fridge. Mileage 178115. MOT the 30th of June 2025. Engine 3000cc F1 CGL 411BE. Transmission rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: starts great. Runs great. No warning lights on the dash. Start and drive brilliantly. This will make a fantastic recovery truck or use it as it is fridge. Unit works perfectly. Grin. Condition summary: bodywork is extremely clean and tidy. You can tell this has been well looked after. Interior is extremely clean and tidy, almost feels brand new. Rear load area looks virtually unused with plenty life in it. Immaculate, well looked after, pride and joy. First to see will definitely buy. Features: 1 former keeper, aircon, cruise Contron, parking sensors, electric windows, reversing camera, fridge. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.